Thank you.
What is it like that when you in Africa? Oh, this thing that when you look like person just come from Australia too. I don't understand. Please, I need that in Africa. Nobody needs that, please. Welcome, brother. You are welcome. God bless you.
Thank you.
God bless you. I say, come, go. I want people that know something when they happen from Nigeria now. People of God are suffering. Out of basic death, coronavirus positive. But to God, that will be faithful to us. I think when the man comes back, now me first welcome him. And he said, welcome to Nigeria.
The
Now
coronavirus.
the man tested positive.
Coronavirus man.
Yes.
You are the one that welcome.
He tested positive, my brother. You see?
Hey! Ayé mi tèmi bá mi.
Brother,